Well, hello there, ladies and gents. I'm on my way to get my new downpipe. Let me show you what I'm gonna do.
Move it a little bit. This is all cracked. Oh my gosh. And it's a good thing that there was another pipe inside of it, because it's a sleeve on top.
You know what I'm thinking? It was flowing properly.
Yeah.
Yeah? But even this holes like that, it's coming so much. Only one like this if you have,
Yeah.
it's still you can't put the AC one.
But look. This is the weld.